Hi, I'm Paul from Loudons, and I'm going to go through the new Truma heating panel with you and the hot water. And we simply switch on by pressing the home button, and it will come on like that, and it will give us a choice. With our menu, we have 7 boxes which we're going to use and show you. And we're starting off by putting the room temperature on by pressing it. Putting on heating, you can use heating or ventilation, and that will bring us to this screen, and we can just change the temperature up or down as we want. We are in the comfort mode at the minute, which is probably a good one to have it on. And if you want to boost it to get it quicker, you can select the boost. You can also choose your power from here, which is electric or gas. And I can choose 1, 2 or 3 kilowatt, or I can put my gas on. And this will return me back out of any menu. There is 2 other modes in the heating screen, which is away and night. The night mode will give you a quieter fan, and it runs a bit more economically. And the away mode you could use if you were going out for the day and you were leaving your water on comfort. It would take a little bit longer to do, and it would give it time to cool down. So there's 2 more options on there, but that is your heating screen. If I come back out of that, I've got a green light on now across the box. That's telling me that the heating is on. So you always know when it's on when you've got the green line. We haven't got any water on yet, so we're going to put that on, and that will give us a green line as well. So if I tap into the water, I simply turn it on, and I have the same modes, night and away, if I hit the left arrow, that I can use on my water. I also have the same electricity setting, 1, 2 or 3, or gas, so it can be changed there. And the extra thing we have in here is if I hit the arrow, it will go to shower mode, and it will tell you the heat up time in 9 minutes and active for 24. So that will give you a longer shower, and it makes it a lot hotter. It's like a boost, but it will give you a continuous running shower, as it says in the menu. Simply choosing is left and right for when you've got the water on. If I want to turn the water off, before I do, I'll just show you. We've got the green line on to say we're in comfort mode. So whatever mode you select, it will tell you. But if I wanted to turn the water off, I would simply do that. Top right hand side, and it's now switched off. So on the hot water side, when we said about the shower, if you're on shower mode, it will, because I've selected it straight away, it will do it and boost it. But after it's done the shower mode and it's ready, it will then switch off, and you'll need to go back to comfort mode. Okay. Next one in the boxes is the Inet X app. You will need to download this on your phone, as it is a way of doing updates to the system through Bluetooth. So you will need to download the app, and then you can get your notifications on there. You can also do your timers on there, which is here. We've got a video on as well separately for you to download, and shows you on the phone how to do it. But you would go in here and you would connect your smartphone and follow the instructions. You would register and sign up and make an account with your email and a password, and then you'll be able to go in and you can look at any notifications on your phone and do any updates. If there's anything like a red line across here, or these 2 are red, it means you've got an error code on there, so you would need to look into it, and it would tell you there what the problem is, and you can follow it through and reset it. Or if there's an update, you will need to do it on your phone. Currently, we have the system working perfectly. To turn it off, I would simply hit that button, and I can turn it into standby mode, which switches it down as it says, but you can still use your phone via the app. If I finish with it completely and turn it off, on the right here, that will turn the whole device off. That will fetch me back to the menu, and the last one is settings. And if you go in there, you can do general settings, you can put the date and time in, or any heater settings you want to change from default. And that is basically how you work the Truma panel Inet. So just an example of an error code issue. When we go into the Truma heating panel, you'll have all the lines turned to red. So earlier on in the video, we had green saying the heating was all right and the hot water's okay. Now we've got a notification to deal with. So if I hit on the notification, that will take me to this error information and code, which then I can select, and I can declare the issue resolved or I can cancel it. Now, normally with these error codes, you'll need to scroll through and see what it says and maybe do a reset at the bottom of it. In this case, we know that I need to do an update on this panel. And this is where it's important that you download the app and you check your phone regularly for updates. Because when we do the update on this, it updates the error codes as well as the boiler and as well as the panel. There's normally 3 updates to do when you're doing this. So if I declare that issue solved after I've done the update, it'll ask me to reset this error. And then it gives us the OK there. And now everything's working fine. And they've gone back to green to switch on.